Hello! So today, I was inspired by a friend of mine na cancer survivor, and she is none other than Yvonne, na working as a nurse then also here as an OFW in Qatar. And let me share to you her wonderful and very inspiring story on how she battled her cancer. So, tara, samahan niyo ko. And
my name is Yvonne, one of the wholesaler here in Qatar. Ako po ay isang Hodgkin lymphoma warrior. Last 2022, ako ay nagkaroon ng classical Hodgkin lymphoma stage 4E. Kumalat na po siya sa buong part ng katawan ko, including my vital organs, my lungs, my bones, and my brain. During chemo, ramdam kong hirap ng nakaka-chemotherapy. And then sinabi ko talaga sa sarili ko, tatapusin ko lang itong 6 cycles ko ng chemo actually. Hindi na ako pwedeng bumalik pa sa cancer. With the help of research, and nakilala ko din si Ho, which is naging close friend ko na-encourage niya akong itry ang JC Organic Barley. Few months after my chemo, uminom na ako araw-araw. That time also, while I'm recovering, nag-exam din ako ng NCLEX licensure exam, which, with the help of and guidance of the Lord and help of the JC Organic Barley, support ng family na naipasa ko po yung exam. Ngayon, tuloy-tuloy po yung paggaling ko. Hindi na ako kasing dalas na mapagod katulad ng dati. Mas okay na talaga. Actually, mas okay pa yung pakiramdam ko ngayon kaysa before pa ako nagka-cancer. So, thank you talaga. Isa pang product na malaking itulong sa akin yung keypads. Because of the treatment of chemo, hindi ako dinatnan during and 6 months after the chemo. December lang, during our Christmas party sa JC, bumili ako ng keypads. 3 days of using, after the 3rd day of using the panty liner, dinatnan talaga ako, and then tuloy-tuloy na po. Ngayon, regulated na menstruation ko, nawala yung dysmenorrhea ko. Before chemo, may way pala na mawala yung dysmenorrhea without medicine or anything. So, sobrang blessed. Nakatulong din ng JC Organic Barley, hindi lang sa akin, kundi sa family ko. My mom also is a post-stroke, na after stroke niya, nahihirapan na siya mag-regulate ng bowel movement niya. Through JC Organic Barley Juice, daily, napagbawas na po siya. My husband also, na-encourage ko na lang uminom ng JC Organic Barley Juice and capsule. Nararamdaman din po niya yung difference. I'm so happy din na nasi-share ko yung blessings na binigay niya sa amin sa ibang tao. At same time, nakakatulong din po siya sa amin financially, ng extra income, while sharing my stories. And I'm just so happy, and I'm just so thankful.
Kayolo, no, as your ER nurse, no, kailangan ingatan nyo rin yung sarili niyo because health is wealth.